2 squared gives us 4. And 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, so 16 divided by 16 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one exponent, and one multiplication. Okay, according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this exponent. And after this exponent, we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So, first we have to do this exponent, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Okay, so first this exponent, 2 squared gives us 4. So we have 16 divided by 4, then times 4. Okay, now we have to work from left to right. First 16 divided by 4, which equals 4. And 4 times 4 gives us 16. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.